Alright, it's TechNuts back again, and here today we're going to show you how to get a cool feature unlocked within your settings. It's called assistive touch. Not many people know about this or use it a lot, I've seen. People usually think you have to jailbreak this to get this home screen button, but you don't. Here, this is what it is. Go home from wherever you are. Device, change your device, favourites, different touches and gestures. So I'll show you how we do it. Down to settings, general, scroll down to accessibility, assistive touch, and you want to turn it on. And once you're in that, you can create new gestures to do different things like slide your tabs left and right, open new apps, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy and simple to use. Cheers.